Hi Dress It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Abby from Turning Red. So let's get started. To draw a cute Abby, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So it's going to be nice and round and wide. So I'm going to come right across, say about right here. And do the same thing. So nice round curve. And bring it down. To about right here's my center, and then I'll go right back up. So very round, so just bottom of a U. Then from there, and quite shallow, right? So then from there, I'm going to start to draw her eyes. So with Abby, it's a little bit different. I'm not going to start on the edge. I'm going to come in a little bit more and have her eyes smaller and closer together. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to start and draw more of an ovalish circle. But it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to draw a circle here for her eye. Come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. There, so two smaller circles than usual in the center. Then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come back to the top and we're just going to spruce them up a little bit. I'm going to come to the side right here and just draw a little curve that extends out. And then I'll come in here with some small curves for some lashes. So same thing over here. It's just a little curve that extends out. And then some lashes, small little ones right there. Then from there, let's go up and draw her brow. So I'm going to come up where her eye is about right here. And I'm going to angle, give it a little arc, and thicken it up. And I'll just go ahead and shade it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And give it an arc right over the eye and thicken it up. From there, I'm going to come in between the eyes, and right here, I'm just going to give her a soft little curve, for her little nose. And then we're going to draw a big smile. So about right here in the center, I'm going to give it up slightly with a little smirk. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to frame her face with her bangs, with her hair. So let's bring this up a little bit more. Just a little bit. And then from there, I'm going to draw a curve right over her brow. So as I draw this curve, I'm going to put in some notches here and there. Put in little notches, but I'm still moving at a curve to draw her bangs. So let's keep going. So say about right here is her center. I'm just putting little notches here and there, maybe a little bit bigger sometimes, smaller, it doesn't really matter. You just want to go all the way across. So then about right here, I'm going to come right back down, just like the other side. There. Then from there, I'm going to come right back to the side where her eyes are, right here, and I'm going to draw her ear. So I'm going to come out with a curve. And before I finish this curve, I'm going to put a circle right here for her earrings. And then I'm going to extend it down with a little line and then draw a heart. There. And then for some details, just put in two curves right here for her ear. So let's do the same thing over here. And I'm just going to drag a point across, make sure I end about the same area. So once again, draw a curve, and as you come down, put in a circle, and then a line, and a heart. And then some details in her ear. Then from there, let's go ahead and finish her bangs. So I'm going to come right back to where we started right here, and I'm going to draw a curve, a little shallow curve that goes all the way up. So let's see here, about right here, not too high because we still have to draw her hairband. So about right here's our center, and I'll go right back down. And then let's see. Then from there, we're going to draw the hairband. So let's come right back, thinner right here, and we're going to go up. Thinner right here, and go up. So let's go ahead and curve once again, just like her bangs. Then about right here's my center, and then go right back down and taper in. So now that we have our hairband in, let's go one more layer up. So let's find our center. So say about right here, not too high up, just a little bit above. And we're just going to slightly wobble a little bit as we curve. You don't have to, but just so that it's not like a perfect curve over. It's not too round. We just want to give it some wobbles at the top. And bring this down really close to her ear and down. So same thing here. Right close to her ear. There. Okay, so then before we finish that, let's draw her body. So I'll just bring this down a little bit more. So now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw her body before we finish her hair. So she has this little turtleneck sweater that she's wearing. So we're going to come out, say about right here, center of her eye, and same thing here. And I'm just going to give it a little wobble as I come down, wobble. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve and go right back up. And I'll come in here, little line, if you like, just to make it look like it's has a crease. Or you can do that when you're coloring. So now that we have that, let's come out, come back right here, come out for her shoulder, and here as well. So nice and wide. Right there. Then this is her shoulders coming down, so say about right, let's say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points. About right there. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a slight angle line out on both sides so I know where I'm working with now. So then from there, let's come back to right underneath right here, and underneath her turtleneck area, I'm going to draw a curve right under, about right there. So this is going to be the beginning of her overalls, and from there I'm going to draw a angle line down to about right there. And then let's bring this down. So we're going to still come out a little bit. Right there, it's a little bit wider. And then we're going to bring it in. There. Okay, so then now for some details, let's come right back here. We're going to draw a circle and another circle right here. And then we're going to attach it with 2 angle lines and then connect that angle line right here. And then whatever you have that curve, we're going to curve up. And then pop this out. So same thing here. So hopefully you can see this side better. We're just going to angle out, then connect it, and then go up. And just pop it out a little bit. There. Well, actually, you know what? This side should be this way, huh? Sorry. Okay, I know it's a very slight difference, but it curves this way and this side curves this way. That way it'll make a little bit more sense. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and bring this down. So about right here is where I'm going to put her waist. So I'm just going to lightly draw a curve across just to break it up. And another one for the band in her overalls. Come right in here and draw 2 bands. And then let's come down nice and low. So say about right here, I'll give myself an angle line, and this is where we're going to start her legs. Right there. Then let's bring this down. And let's work on this side. So we're going to come down, not too long. Say about right here. And then we're going to connect. And then let's give it a cuff. Let's pop this out. Nice thick cuff. And connect once again. So same thing on this side. Just bring this down. Bring this down and connect. There's the cuffs. And then for her shoes, we're going to make it nice and simple. Just come out here, pop out curve. This part's a little bit straighter. And then just connect at the bottom. And then go up. And then we're going to give a curve right here for the sole. And you can add another curve right here if there's space. So same thing here. Curve, just a little bit straighter, and then curve in. And this part just pops out and connect at the bottom and round it off. The sole and then a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have all that in, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So I'll bring this up. So let's just bring this up a little bit more, and then we're going to connect it right here. Just curve a little bit and connect. So then let's have her arms a little bit thicker. So let's put her arms about right here, and I'm going to have them on her hip. So let's draw this angle first. We're going to curve out, then bring in another curve that comes in, and then angle. So then let's finish this part. Let's connect this. We're going to go over elbow and then bring it in. And now that we're about the same level right here, we're going to angle out for her hand and then a little finger. So then for some details, let's come right here. And we're going to draw her little bracelet. And then a cuff on her sweater. Just another band, and I'm just going to come right here. Put in some lines so we know that it's her sweater, and we can add some crease lines right there. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Find the other side about right here, and once again angle, and then another one comes down to about right here and angle out. And then let's go ahead and connect. So her elbow about right here, and bring it in, and then hand and finger. And so then in this area, we're going to connect it with a watch. So right here, I'm just going to draw a circle to simplify it. Add a band for her watch right there, and then her cuff for her sweater for some detail, and then another crease. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw some more details on her super cute overalls. So right in the center right here, between the two little buttons, we're going to draw a pocket. So come straight down, and then we're just going to connect it at the bottom with a V. Right there, and then she has some pockets right here and here. Some details right here in the center. There for her overalls, we can add some crease lines right here. Just break it up. and then some of the decorations. So let's come to the center. We're going to draw a flower. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 smaller ones right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more here. And then here she has this happy face patch. So I'm just going to draw a circle and put in a happy face. And then she has this big flower, another one right here. And one more, and then the word cool. So I have enough space, so I'll just try to write it in a bubble form. C-O-O-L. There, and then let's finish her hair. So let's come back, and I'm just going to tuck it in, give it a slight curve, and just tuck it in right here, whatever space I have left, so it doesn't get in the way. And right here, and tuck it in. And that is pretty much it for my version of Abby here from Turning Red. And I really hope that you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.